everybody. I'm Jordan Weber, and today we're going to talk about an ideal accountability system in the wake of the Every Student Succeeds Act passed in legislation on December 10th, 2015. This act assures that all students, regardless of socioeconomic background, receives the same high-quality instruction year after year all throughout the country. Looking at the book called How to Use Value-Added Analysis, we learned that there are many factors to improve student learning. In these factors, we look at data, and we want to measure the success and the limitations that students and teachers go through every single year. In North Carolina and in Washington, we see that through 5th and 8th grade, students are tested on math, science, English, reading, and writing. In these classes, we want to know and figure out what year and what student grows the most per year. We can do this by looking at value-added analysis and measuring student growth throughout each year. When we do this, we can conceptualize and help make improvement plans on the information that we receive through the data analysis. But first, what we need to do is commit our district and the school leaders in our district to value-added analysis. In order to do this, we need principals, teachers, and all stakeholders in the education community to be on board to improve student outcomes. Not only outcomes, but to watch student measurements rise and rise and rise. To do this, we need to have a data-driven community that focuses on strategic goals and improvement plans after monitoring the effects of changing the curriculum. In changing the curriculum, we look at effective teaching strategies to guide teachers and students in producing engaged learners. Engaged learners learn better than students that are just on task. Looking at the book called 17,000 Classroom Visits Can't Be Wrong, we learned that evaluators learn the most when they talk to students instead of teachers. Before, we used to look at teachers' qualifications and certifications. Now we're actually looking at what students are saying about the lessons they are learning. When we learn about what the students are learning, they can conceptualize what is actually working and what may not be working. So in the root cause of success, we find that these teachers are using engaged curriculum that focuses on student learning as opposed to lectures and assignments and rhetoric and measurements. So we find that students work better in groups, in collaborative settings, and also talking about what they're learning. As district leaders, we need principals, educators, and all teachers on board to improve student learning. We need to help and give the resources to the teachers that need them the most. This requires principals to let the districts know what teachers need the most supplies. And we also need to look at a collaborative goal setting program to provide comfort for our teachers and effective district leadership, which comes with me. I want to provide effective district leadership by incorporating a data-driven analysis program that will emphasize the root causes of success in the classroom. And when we can do that, we can improve student growth throughout the semester and throughout the year through using balanced assessments in the K through 12 setting. Thanks a lot.